students. Hope all of you are well. Pandemic is going on, so we have to continue our syllabus from our home. Stay at your home, stay safe. Class 8. Today I have come here to teach you maths. In your second terminal syllabus, there is exercise 14. In Let's Work Out 14, there is HCF and LCM. HCF means highest common factor. And the other name of HCF is GCD. What is that? Greatest common divisor. And there is also LCM. What do we mean by LCM? Least common multiple. Now we will start Let's Work Out 14 from government book and we will learn HCF and LCM. Let's work out 14. Sum number 1. I am starting 1 part 3. Find the GCD. The first number is 7 y cube z to the power 6. Next one 21 y square. The third one is 14 z square. We will find GCD or HCF. First 7 y cube z6. Faster. Now find the factor of this. 7 into y cube means y into y into y. Into z to the power 6 means z into z into z into z into z into z. 2y and 6z. Next, the second term. 21y square. 21y square. 21 means 7 into 3. Y square means y into y. Okay. Next, the third term. 14z square. 14 means 7 into 2. Z square means z into z. Now find the GCD. GCD means which term is common among these three. 7 here, 7 here, 7 here. So GCD is equal to 7. Y cube here, y square here, no y term is here, so we cannot take y. Z6 here, no z is here, z square here, so no z we can take. And 3 here, here is no 3, here is no 3, so we can't take 3 also. Same as for 2, so the HCF or GCD is 7. This is the answer. Next, 2 part 4. 2 part 4. 11 a square b c square. 33 a square b square c. 55 a square b c square. The first term is 11 a square b c square. Find the LCM of these three numbers. Sum number 2. 11 means 11. A square means a into a. B square means b means b. C square means c into c. Then 33 a square b square c. 33 means 11 into 3. A square means a into a. B square means into b. C square, c means into c. Next, 55 a square b c square. 55 a square b c square. 55 means 11 into 5. A square means a into a. B square, b means into b. C square means c into c. Okay. Now we have to find the LCM. LCM means we have to find from the each term, we have to find every number's highest power. 11, first number 11, how many 11s are there? Only one 11. 11's power is 1. Here 11's power is 1. Here 11's power is 1. Therefore LCM will be 11. Next, here a's power is 2, a square. Here a square. Here a square. So a square we can take as LCM. First one b's power is 1. Here b's power is 2. Here b's power is 1. So what is the highest power of b? Highest power of b is 2. B square. C's power here 2. Here 1. Here 2. So highest power of C is 2. Therefore, and again here 3 is here. What is the power of 3? 1. No 3 is there. No 3 is there. So we can take only 1 3. Here 5's power is 1. No 5 is there. No 5 is there. So only 1 5 we have to multiply. Then what is the LCM? 3 5s are 15 into 11. 15 1s are 15. 5 carry 1. 15 1s are 15. 1 16. 165 a square b square c square. Therefore required LCM is 165 a square b square c square. This is the answer. Next, sum number 3. Sum number 3, find GCD of the algebraic expression. GCD means HCF, you know that. 3 part 6 I am showing. X square plus 3x plus 2, x square plus 4x plus 3, x square plus 5x plus 6. We have to find the factor of these three separately. So do factorization. The first term, x square plus 3x plus 2. Middle term break, you know, x square into 2, that is 2x square. So we have to break the middle term 3x as x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. Why? Because 2x plus x is equal to 3x and 2x into x is equal to 2x square. Then take common x from first to x into x plus 2. From second to x plus 2 we can take common 1 into x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 into x plus 1. So the factorization of this is this into this. Now the second one, x square plus 4x plus 3. X square plus 4x plus 3. Same middle term break, 3 into x square, 3x square. So we can write x square plus 3x plus x plus 3. 3x plus x 4x and 3x into x 3x square. Okay, so is equal to, we can take common x between x square and 3x, we can take common x. So x into x plus 3. From the last two we can take common 1 plus 1 into x plus 3. Then this equal to x plus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to x plus 3 into x plus 1. Now the third number is x square plus 5x plus 6. X square plus 5x plus 6. X square into 6, 6x square. We know 3 2s are 6. That means 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x. So x square, we can write x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. 3x plus 2x 5x, 3x into 2x, 3 2s are 6, x square matched. Now x square and 3x, we can take common x in between these two. X into x plus 3 plus 2x plus 6. In between these two we can take common 2. 2 into x plus 3. Now x plus 3 into x plus 2. So the factors are x plus 3, x plus 2. Now we have to find out the GCD. Now see, the first one, the factors are x plus 2 into x plus 1. The second one, x plus 3 into x plus 1. Third one, x plus 3 into x plus 2. That means no number is common among these three. So what will be the GCD? We can write 1 because 1 is in all the numbers. So the GCD will be, therefore GCD will be 1. And you have to remember this, if you can't find any common number, then you will find the GCD as 1. 1 will be the GCD in that case. So here answer is GCD equal to 1. Next I am showing 3 part 11. 3 part 11. 4x square minus 1. 4x square minus 1. Then 8x cube minus 1. Then 4x square minus 4x plus 1. The first number is 4x square minus 1. 4x square means 2x whole square, minus 1 means minus 1 whole square. Now this is the form of a square minus b square. You know the formula, a plus b into a minus b, that is 2x plus 1 into 2x minus 1 by formula. Then the second number, 8x cube minus 1. 8x cube means 2x whole cube, minus 1 means minus 1 whole cube. So a cube minus b cube form. Then what is the formula? A minus b, that means 2x minus 1 into a square, that is 2x whole square, plus ab, 2x into 1, plus b square, that is 1 square, by formula. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That is 2x minus 1 into 2x whole square means 4x square. 2x into 1 that is plus 2x plus 1 square means plus 1. Now the third number. What is the third number? 4x square minus 4x plus 1. 4x square minus 4x plus 1. 4x square means 2x whole square minus 4x is equal to minus 2 into 2x into 1 plus 1 means plus 1 whole square. Now see, 2x whole square, 4x square minus 2 2s are 4x plus 1 matched, and this is the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this equal to, we can write a minus b whole square. A means 2x minus b means 1. 2x minus 1 whole square by formula. Now this we can express as 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. Okay. Now in the first term 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. In the second number 2x minus 1, 4x square plus 2x plus 1. Third number 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. Then what will be the GCD? In all cases we can see 2x minus 1 is common. Therefore the required GCD is equal to 2x minus 1. This is the answer. Next I am showing 3 part 13. 3 part 13. 6x square minus 13xa plus 6 square plus 6 square. Second number 6x square plus 11xa minus 10 square. Third number 6x square plus 2xa minus 4 square. Now factorize this one. Six x square minus 13xa plus 6 square is equal to what? 6 6 are 36, and we know 4 9s are 36 and 9 plus 4 13. So we can express this as 6x square minus 9xa minus 4xa plus 6 square. Now minus 9 minus 4 minus 13, minus 9xa minus 4xa, the product of these two, plus 36 x square s square. So from these two we can take common 3x, then here 2x, here 3a. Next from these two we can take common minus 2a. So 2x minus 3a. Minus 2 2s are 4ax, minus minus plus 3 2s are 6 square, matched. From these two we can take common 2x minus 3a, then remains 3x minus 2a. First one is factorized. Now the second number. The second number is 6x square plus 11xa minus 10 square. 6x square plus 11xa minus 10 square. 6 tens are 60. Now 6x square. We know 15 fours are 60. So we can write plus 15xa minus 4xa. Because 15xa minus 4xa is 11xa, and 15xa minus into minus 4xa is equal to minus 60x square. Then minus 10 square. So 6x square and 15xa we can take common 3x. Then it will be 2x plus 5a. From minus 4xa and minus 10 square we can take common minus 2a. Then in first bracket it will be 2x, then plus 5a. Minus 2a into 2x minus 4ax, minus 2a into plus 5a minus 10 square. Here also 3 2s are 6x square, 3 5s are 15xa. Now from these two we can take common 2x plus 5a into 3x minus 2a. So this one also factorized. Now the third number, 6x square plus 2xa minus 4a square. 6x square plus 2xa minus 4a square. 6 fours are 24, and we can write 6x square plus 6xa minus 4xa minus 4a square. 6xa minus 4xa 2xa, and 6xa into minus 4xa is minus 24x square. So matched. Now from these two we can take common 6x. Then x plus a will be in the first bracket. From these two we can take common minus 4a. Then in the first bracket it will be x plus a. Minus 4ax plus minus minus 4 square. Now take common x plus a, remains 6x minus 4a. Now 6x and 4a, from these two we can take common 2. So this equal to x plus a into 2 into 3x minus 2a. 2 3s are 6x, 2 2s are 4a. Now we are writing 2 at first. 2 into x plus a into 3x minus 2a. Now find the GCD. In the first number 2x minus 3a, 3x minus 2a. Second number 2x plus 5a, 3x minus 2a. Third number 2 into x plus a into 3x minus 2a. So we can see 3x minus 2a is common among these three. So therefore the required GCD, required GCD is equal to 3x minus 2a. This is the answer. Now I'll show sum number 4. In sum number 4, find the LCM. I am showing sum number 4 part 3. Find LCM. P plus Q into P plus R. Q plus R into R plus P. R plus P into P plus Q. Okay. Already factorization is done. So we have to choose the LCM. Now see, LCM is equal to what? We have to find the highest power of each term. P plus Q, only 1 here. P plus Q, no. Here is no P plus Q. Here 1 P plus Q. So what is the highest power of P plus Q? 1. Then LCM is P plus Q. Here P plus R, only 1. Here R plus P and P plus R are same. So P plus R only 1. Here P plus R 1. So what is the highest power of P plus R? 1. Then P plus R. Here P plus Q, P plus R taken. Here P plus R taken. Q plus R. How many? What is the power of Q plus R? 1. Here no Q plus R. So only Q plus R here. Then Q plus R. Here R plus P or P plus R and P plus Q all have taken. So what is the LCM? P plus Q into P plus R into Q plus R. This is the answer. Okay. Now I am showing 4 part 7. 4 part 7. X square minus y square plus z square minus 2xz. Second number, x square minus y square minus z square plus 2yz. Third number, xy plus zx plus y square minus z square. Now do factorization. First, x square minus y square plus z square minus 2xz. Now see, x square minus 2xz plus z square. Here is a formula. So arrange this. X square minus 2xz plus z square, then minus y square. So this is equal to what? X minus z whole square. By formula we know x minus z whole square, then remains minus y square by formula. Now a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. That is also by formula we know x minus z plus y into x minus z minus y by formula. First one done. Now the second one. Second one is x square minus y square minus z square plus 2yz. Now minus y square minus z square plus 2yz. So in these three numbers, if we take minus common, what will be there? X square minus in bracket y square minus 2yz plus z square. Okay. Now minus y square matched, minus minus plus 2yz matched, minus plus minus z square matched. Now this is equal to what? Y minus z whole square by formula. So x square minus y minus z whole square by formula. Okay. Now a square minus b square form. That is a plus b into a minus b. x plus y minus z into x minus y plus z by formula. Second one done. Now the third number. The third number is xy plus zx plus y square minus z square. Xy plus zx. From these two we can take common x, then remains y plus z. From these two, y square minus z square. By formula we can write y plus z into y minus z by formula is equal to, here y plus z, here also y plus z. So we can take common y plus z. Now from this x, from this plus y minus z. Factorization done. Now we are finding here LCM. Now see, in the first number x minus y plus x minus z plus y, x minus z minus y. Here x minus z plus y, x minus y plus z. Here x minus z plus y, y plus z. So x minus z plus y is common in every case. X minus z plus y. So LCM is equal to, first we write this because here the power of x minus z plus y is 1. This is written, x minus z plus y written. Now x minus z minus y. Here no x minus z minus y, no x minus z minus y. So we write only one x minus y minus z here written. Then all the terms are written here. Here x minus z plus y written, x minus z plus y written. Here remains x minus y plus z. X minus y plus z only 1 here. So write x minus y plus z. Then y plus z. Y plus z only 1 here. So write y plus z. So this will be the answer. X minus z plus y, x minus y minus z, x minus y plus z and y plus z. This is the LCM. Now I am showing part 10. Part 10. A square plus 2a whole square, 2a cube plus 3a square minus 2a, 2a to the power 4 minus 3a cube minus 14a square. First number, a square plus 2a whole square. Okay, so in second bracket, a square and 2a, in between these two we can take common a into a plus 2, second bracket close, whole square is equal to a square into a plus 2 whole square. That is equal to a into a plus 2 into a plus 2. Then second number, 2a cube plus 3a square minus 2a. We can take common a from 3, a into 2a square plus 3a minus 2, 2a square plus 3a minus 2. Now a into 2a square minus 2, 2 2s are 4 minus 4a square. So the middle term we can write as plus 4a minus a, then minus 2. 4a minus a 3a, 4a into minus a minus 4a square, matched. Now this equal to a into second bracket 2a square and 4a. We can take common as 2a into a plus 2. Next minus a minus 2. From these two we can take common minus 1. Minus 1 into a plus 2. Second bracket close. Then a into a plus 2 into 2a minus 1. A into a plus 2 is equal to a into a plus 2 into 2a minus 1. Then from the first number what is the factor a into a? What is the power of a? 2. In the second number, what is the power of a? Only 1. Now the third number, 2 a to the power 4 minus 3 a cube minus 14 a square. From these three we can take common a square. A square into 2a square minus 3a minus 14. 2a square minus 3a minus 14. 2a square into a square, 2a to the power 4 minus 3a into a square minus 3a cube minus 14 into a square minus 14 a square. Now a square common, second bracket, 14 2s are 28. Minus 7a plus 4a minus 14. Minus 7a plus 4a, that is minus 3a, and minus 7a into plus 4a minus 28a square, matched. Second bracket close, is equal to a square into 2a square minus 7a. We can take common a, then 2a minus 7. From these two we can take common 2, then 2a minus 7, bracket close. 2 2s are 4a, 2 7s are 14, minus 14. So a square to 2a minus 7 into a plus 2. A square means a into a into 2a minus 7 into a plus 2. Okay. Now the LCM. LCM is equal to what? First number a's power is 2. Second number a's power is 1. Third number a's power is 2. So a square. In the first number a plus 2, the power of a plus 2 is 2. A plus 2 whole square. Second number only 1 a plus 2. Third number only 1 a plus 2. So highest power of a plus 2 is 2. Then a plus 2 whole square. Now here no other number is there. Second number 2a minus 7 is there. Here third number 2a minus 7 is there. And second number 2a minus 1 is there. 1, each are 1. So here we have to write 2a minus 1 into 2a minus 7. So what will be the LCM? A square into a plus 2 whole square into 2a minus 1 into 2a minus 7. This will be the answer. Now I am showing sum number 5. Find GCD and LCM both. You know how to find GCD, you know how to find LCM. Now we have to do both in same sum. X cube minus 5, part 5. 5 part 5. X cube minus 4x. Second number is 4 into x square minus 5x plus 6. Third number is x square minus 4x plus 4. Now first number x cube minus 4x. From x cube minus 4x we can take common x. Then in the first bracket x square minus 4 is equal to x into x square minus 4 means 2 square, that is a square minus b square form. So x into a plus b into a minus b, that means x plus 2 into x minus 2 by formula. Now the second number x 4 into x square minus 5x plus 6. 4 into x square minus 5x plus 6. Now 4 means 2 into 2 into x square into 6 6x square. So we can write x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Minus 3x minus 2x minus 5x minus 3x into minus 2x, 3 2s are 6x square is equal to 2 into 2 second bracket x square minus 3x, take common x into x minus 3, in between these two take common minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, minus 2x minus minus plus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 2 into 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 2 into 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 2. Second one done. Now the third one, x square minus 4x plus 4. X square minus 4x plus 4, that is x whole square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square, means x minus 2 whole square by formula. X minus 2 whole square means x minus 2 into x minus 2. Okay, now we have to find out the HCF and LCM both. First we are finding GCD. First number x into x plus 2 x minus 2. Second number 2 into 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 2. Third number x minus 2 into x minus 2. Then what will be the GCD? X minus 2 is common in all the cases. Therefore GCD is equal to x minus 2. Now LCM. LCM means in the first number x, what is the power of highest power of x? 1. Here highest, no x term is there. Here also no x term is there. Therefore only 1x. In the LCM we write only 1x. Then 4. 2 2s are 4 is there. In the first number 2 2s are 4 is there. In the second number in the first number no 4 is there, only x into x plus 2 into x minus 2. In the second number 4 is there. In the third number no 4. So 4 will be the LCM. Highest power of 4 is 1. Next in the first number x into x plus 2 into x minus 2. X we have taken, x plus 2 here only 1. The power of x plus 2 only 1. second number no x plus 2, third number no x plus 2. So only 1x plus 2 will be in the LCM. Next, 1x minus 2 is here, 1x minus 2 is here, x minus 2 whole square means 2x minus 2. So highest power of x minus 2 is 2. Then in the LCM it will be x minus 2 whole square. Then first number all the terms are taken. Second number x minus 3 will be there, only 1. Third number no x minus 3, x minus 2 whole square, that is taken. So only 1 x minus 3 we have to write in the LCM into x minus 3. Then what will be the LCM? 4 into x, that is 4x. Then x plus 2 into x minus 2 whole square into x minus 3. Now students, I think you have understood what is HCF and or GCD and LCM. I have shown you all the types of sums from this chapter. Now I think the rest of the sums you can do your own. Thank you very much.